Hello there and welcome back. So now we have a course layout, we have an infrastructure that we are going to work on, and we are able to start with the actual setup. So I'm using the Commander console emulator. I think this is a pretty decent tool for Windows. And what I'm going to do is to create a folder here, which is called Nornir project. And after navigating to the Nornir project, I'm going to create a virtual environment. And this is going to be called Nornir. So in order to create the virtual environment, you need to have that module installed with Python. And what you also need to do that I'm going to use Python 3.7 throughout this course with the 64-bit version. So as a best practice, I suggest you use it as well in order to be able to reproduce the examples that I'm showing you. So now we are able to install the Nornir, and basically what you need to do is to activate the virtual environment. So I'm not sure how much familiarity you have with virtual environment, but what I'm doing now is going to be summarized up. So I would like to issue the scripts, activate BAT, and now you see my prompt changed. And if I issue the pip freeze command, it will say that this has no packages installed because this is a brand new environment, virtual environment. And this is good because it allows you to separate different projects that you are working on. And what we can do now is to install Nornir. And basically it is going to download the dependencies and install them and so on. And the whole point of this video is to show you how you can have an initial setup. You will see an error with the Napalm 2.5 and for the Netmico, but we will have a newer which is set to be incompatible, but we will see that this is not incompatible. So now if we issue the pip freeze, you will see that these are all the required modules that are needed by Nornir in order for this to function. And basically this was all I wanted to show you in this video. In the next video, we are going to continue our journey. See you in the next one.